In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a contact on WhatsApp Web. If you need to report someone on WhatsApp Web, the process is very quick and straightforward. Reporting a contact is useful when someone is bothering you, sending spam, or sharing content that makes you feel unsafe or uncomfortable. When you report a person, WhatsApp can review the most recent messages from that chat to help enforce its policies, so it's a good option when you want to flag inappropriate behavior directly through the platform. To begin, open WhatsApp Web on your computer and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look through your chat list and open the conversation with the contact you want to report. Make sure you select the correct chat before moving forward, especially if you have several conversations with similar names or profile pictures. Taking a second to confirm this can help you avoid reporting the wrong person by mistake. After the chat is open, move your attention to the top right side of the conversation window. There, you'll see the three-dot menu which opens additional options for that specific chat. Click on those three dots to display the menu. This is where WhatsApp Web places several conversation settings and actions, including the option you need. From that menu, click on Report. Once you do that, WhatsApp may show a confirmation prompt so you can verify that you really want to report the contact. Read the prompt carefully before confirming so you understand what happens next. In many cases, reporting can also give you the option to block the contact at the same time, which can be helpful if you no longer want that person to message you. And that's it. Once you confirm the report, the contact will be reported through WhatsApp Web. If the person is sending unwanted messages, this is one of the fastest ways to take action directly from your desktop without needing to switch to your phone. As a quick tip, if you're dealing with harassment or repeated spam, it can also help to stop replying to the messages before reporting, since continued interaction sometimes encourages more contact. Most importantly, use the report feature carefully and only when it's genuinely needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.